Hi, I have a quick announcement. In today's world, more than ever, it's very important to be kind to each other, to help one another and do little things, no matter how little they are. And I was thinking what it is that I could do, and I decided I would give away my first course for beginners, a fantastic journey into the Czech language and culture, for free for the first 100 people. For people who are interested in learning Czech but are not able to pay the full amount. So if your heart is set on Czech language and money is the only thing that's stopping you, this is your call. What do I want from this? The only thing I want from this is that if you register for my course, you do it and you complete it. And then I would be happy if you leaving me a review. This is what would make me happy, to see that somebody will benefit from this course and enjoy it. And I can see the progress of each of my students taking the course. So if I see that people are advancing and learning, this would be all I need. So that's that. You will find the link attached to this video. Mějte se krásně a uvidíme se brzo.